Hi guys, I'm Demon Killer, and in this video we are going to walk through how to enable USB support in VirtualBox operating systems. So what I mean is when I connect a USB device to my computer, for example, right now. So the device is detected by my host OS. As you can see here, I get a message and the icon appears on the dock as well. But when I open my VM OS, which is for in this case Ubuntu 16, then I am not able to detect my USB device anywhere. So how do we solve this? So first of all, I want to close my VM and I want to come here to the settings and enable my USB device. So first of all, we come to the settings here, select our OS, come to settings here, and then come to the USB tab, and we want to enable USB controller. So as you can see, the USB controller is already enabled. So why isn't my device recognized? So you want to hit on USB 3 if you have USB 3 support as well. But even if I restart my VM, it's not going to show my USB device. The reason is that we haven't selected the USB device. So we want to come here on the right, and over here, as you can see, adds new USB filter. So you want to click on that, and you see that no devices are available. So now we do not have any option to add our USB device. So what can we do? So the solution is simple. We want to open a terminal window, and I just will make this a little big, and we want to type in sudo add user, and then we want to add a $sign. So you want to find your $sign and turn on your caps and type in user, right, and add a space bar and type vbox users, right. So sudo add user $sign user in capital and then vbox users, and then hit enter, and you want to type in your password when you're prompted to, and it will show you we are adding the user Demon Killer. So your username in my case is Demon Killer, so that will be added to the vbox users group. So once that is done, we want to log out. So you want to come to your power off and log out option and click on log out.
A few moments later.
So once you log out and log in into your machine, you'll be greeted by your desktop. So you want to open VirtualBox again, and once it is here, you want to click on settings of your VMOS and come to the USB tab here and click on this plus USB again. And as you can see, there are a bunch of devices available for me to add. So over here, as you can see, my device is a SanDisk. So I'm going to hit here and add SanDisk Cruiser Blade, and then hit OK. And once we boot our OS, you can see that the device here has disappeared, and the reason for that is it will appear inside our guest VM in our virtual machine now. So instead of appearing in our host machine, it will appear in our virtual machine. So let's just get this to full screen. We want to log into our virtual OS, and once it boots up properly, we see the desktop of the Ubuntu 16.04 LTS machine. We should see our USB device. So there it is, guys. Our USB device SanDisk is here, so we can access it in our virtual OS. If you liked the video, please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day.